it's Side Dish Saturday, and I'm lucky because William's here, and he's going to help us cook a stuffed potato. We have some really good ingredients, sour cream and a triple cheddar cheese with some chives and some onions. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today is Side Dish Saturday. He's going to bring those out. We can talk about some ingredients really fast too if you want. First thing we need to talk about is the foil on the pan. So we have a cookie sheet and he's putting the foil on there. Now we need to make our mix. So here's your onions, and then a couple of tablespoons of sour cream. Should be good. And for ingredients, we also have some bacon bits, and that's William's favorite.
Here is the question of the day. Do you like scallions? Click the thumbs up button if you like scallions.
Go ahead. Now you got to pop that lid off there. Just like that. One more. I'll put it all in. It's kind of messy. It's going all over the place on me. Cool. Wow, look at that. Yep. Give me some cheese. A little cheese is good. A lot of cheese is better. You know what? Give it all to me. You got more?
Yeah, all good.
Might as well. Might be more cheese than I thought there was. Hey, these are going to be really cheesy. Barb's laughing. There is no recipe for this. This is just William and myself sitting talking about what could we stuff a potato with, and we had all the ingredients on hand. These are large potatoes. I'm just going to fold this stuff in. Just like that. Now we'll put it on the sheet, huh? There you go. There's a potato for you. Oven is preheating. This is one of those things for a side dish. This is great. You put these on a saucer, single dish. All right. Throw them in the oven. Here we go, folks. It is all done. William's going to pull it out. We'll see what it looks like. Wow. These are going to be extremely hot. Get them right over here underneath where everybody can see what they look like. And we will pull these out, and this is going to be an extremely delicious side dish, William. Wow. Here we go. Just like that. Well, this is the show for the day. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Be sure to come back and see us next time. Bye for now.